Hello and welcome everybody. My name is John Van Horn here live on location at Jetty Park Beach on the Space Coast of Florida with the Space Coast launch ambassadors. We are here to witness SpaceX's Falcon9 Starlink-2. The propellant is being loaded currently. We are good for go. Everything's looking nice and neat. It's a beautiful evening. It's a little chilly, a little more chilly than I would have expected, but other than that, a gorgeous night. Hope everybody's doing well. We've got our mod on here, Seth Kurkowski. Say hello to Seth. I unfortunately do not see chat, so I cannot help you with any questions you guys may have, but Seth can or relay questions to me via text message. Hopefully. Seth, I hope we're coming in good. Retweet our tweets here. Seth just tweeted us live and everything, so. So now we wait. And what you're viewing right now is the Jetty, to the bottom right of your screen is the Jetty Park Pier. Just to the left of that is a lifeguard hut, and all the way to the left will be the launch, which you'll see here shortly. Tonight is, again, Starlink-2. SpaceX is launching 60 Starlink satellites to be integrated into their broadband internet service constellation around the globe. This is to serve internet, broadband internet service, of course. One of these satellites is getting a less reflective coating for a test that SpaceX is doing to have a less disturbance of the night sky for astronomers here on Earth. They've been getting feedback, let's put it that way, from astronomers about the Starlink satellites. So fingers crossed that Elon and SpaceX hits it pretty good here on the mark with this less reflective coating. Oh, what's that? I'm good? All right, awesome. Propellant loading has begun. Just got that, FYI, via Chris from NASA Spaceflight. Can we get into the system? No? Not yet? Okay. Don't mind me, when the launch starts, I'm going to be trying to get a couple of pictures, so I'll be stepping away from the stream. Again, please, if you don't hesitate to ask any questions in live chat, either on Twitch, on twitch.tv if you're viewing it there, or on our YouTube channel, Space Coast Launch Ambassadors, if you're viewing it there. Our good co-founder, Seth Kurkowski here, is moderating the stream. He will be more than happy to answer any questions anybody has. I'm keeping an eye on updates right now.
Chat is still disabled.
Okay, well, he'll have to, unfortunately, I won't be able to fix that.
Yeah, no.
Just get that large. Again, if you're just joining us, this is a live feed here on the Space Coast of Florida. at Jetty Park Beach. We're going to be watching a rocket launch of SpaceX Falcon 9 booster 1049.4. This will be its 4th flight around, which on a previous launch, it had already launched a Starlink mission. We've got the SpaceX fleet out in the Atlantic right now, awaiting for booster return. Of course, I Still Love You, the autonomous drone ship, will be out there about 600 plus kilometers downrange near off the coast, I believe, of South Carolina, around that area. That's where the booster recovery will be. And then we've got Go Miss Tree or Go Miss Chief. Go Miss Tree, I believe, is going to be a fairing half recoverer. Or is it Miss Chief?
I think it's Chief.
Miss Chief. Or Miss Tree. Oh, it's one of the two. Which one was getting its arms removed? I can't remember. Not that one. We'll go with not that one. Seth is sitting at home comfortable on the computer and on the internet, so he can do all that research for us. I'm gonna make you work, buddy. Oh. Again, like I said, there's not much to see right now other than Jetty Park Pier there on your bottom right of your screen, the bottom left of your screen, just above our logo and where it says live, that's where the rocket will be popping up from, launching up from, which is launching off of Space Launch Complex 40 on Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. Chilly?
I'm freezing. Like, I'm at that hypothermia stage.
Crystal here is going into first stages of hypothermia in 45-degree weather.
What is your...
Why did my...
Do we have a ghost?
I don't know. Maybe it's just warming up. My GoPro lit up on its own all of a sudden.
We have a ghost.
We got a ghost around Jetty Park Beach. But this is definitely exciting times right now. What time is it? 8:56. So we got about just over 20 minutes to go. 23 minutes for liftoff. You know what? Actually, here, if you want to see a little pan of where I'm at, there's a boat going out there that's flashing. This is the beach, as much as you can see it. Got a couple people around. And we got the dunes over here. So yeah, so if you're around the area, we're right here. I'll reset that back up. That should be about right there. Is where we should see. Yeah. Gonna be a big streak across the sky. I want to make sure my settings are still correct here. Why did it switch?
Advanced settings.
Aha! It switched. A little effort. Oh, that would have been. I'm glad I checked. 5 seconds.
Seth
Mono.
is still having
We're good.
trying to find the live chat settings.
Did you send him that link?
Yeah, I'm telling him how to do it now, but the cogwheel thing said that that's just quality settings. So I gave him
It was in
another.
advanced settings, remember?
Yeah, this one. I gave him edit recent info and then advanced settings.
Sorry, we're just I'm trying to get the live chat on YouTube up and going. Do apologize for that. I'm just trying to figure that out. Unfortunately, I don't have a laptop with me right now. Oh, what's that say? It's big 20, T-minus 20 minutes. All right, we're at the 20-minute mark, ladies and gentlemen. Boys and girls, children of all ages. This will be awesome. Got a group of people up by the pier. Lots of people by the pier, up by the rock edge here at Jetty Park, and there's only like well, I've got I see two other photographers looking for a nice shot. I'm gonna try something new with my GoPro this evening. I've been trying to get a streak shot that is impossible to get on a GoPro Hero 5, which I already have come to terms with. And I'll be shooting some stills at a high shutter speed with my Nikon. Gonna see if I can get some good shots of the rocket, but we'll see how that goes. What do we got there? SpaceX fleet updates. Shouldn't be that hard to enable
But none of the settings that I'm seeing are
Again, if you're just joining in, my name is John Van Horn with the Space Coast Launch Ambassadors. I'm also running this off of my iPhone X, so please bear with any type of quality concerns. This is a third or fourth. This will probably be my third successful stream of a launch. The other ones
we could get live chat to work.
And well, if we can get live chat to work, that would be great too. But I'm leaving that up to you, Seth. That's all you, man.
I'm trying to look.
And Crystal's trying to find some answers as well. If anybody does have any questions, shoot, you can reply to messages on Twitter on Coast SCLA. We're on Twitter. Please give us a follow there, by the way. Please visit our website, scla.space. Also, live over at my other website, which is gospacelaunch.com. Sure, I got a couple of viewers there from our Facebook. Again, apologize for the no live chat. That's something that we kind of thought that would be enabled when we went live. Apparently that's not the case. We're not amateurs, but we're amateurs. So again, this is space. What we're going to be viewing here soon enough, in about just over 15 minutes, is this SpaceX Falcon9 Starlink-2 launch. This is their version 1 of their Starlink. So this is their actual third launch of Starlink satellites. Their first launch was their version 0.9. That was earlier in 2019 summer. Starlink 1 was not too long ago in November. And now we've got Starlink 2 here, fresh first launch of 2020. You guys are saying, if anybody is staying up to date, we've got an in-flight abort test that's happening on January 18th, presumably at 8 a.m. in the morning off of launch pad 39A. The last two delay dates were at 8 a.m. in the morning, so we're only all just right now. There's no confirmation, so you can't really, don't quote me on that time, but we're all assuming, presumably, that it's going to be an 8 a.m. launch time. What's that?
John Kraus is in the water right now.
John Kraus is in the water? Where?
I don't know. But he's crazy.
I'm sure he's got slickers on.
No, he's barefoot.
The water's probably warmer than the air. I'll bet you it is. It's the Atlantic Ocean. It's warm water. The water's probably like 70.
I'm not testing that theory.
You don't want to test that theory? You don't want to go for a dip really quick? We're on the beach, so we're like technically, I don't know, 50, 60 feet from the ocean. Not gonna lie, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous night, and this is going to be a spectacular launch. And I gotta keep checking my settings. T-minus 12 minutes. T-minus 12 minutes. It's gonna be freaking OP. Again, really sorry for the no live chat in YouTube. I'm gonna take the blame on that one. When I was setting up this live stream event on YouTube, I failed to actually even see any type of selection for a live stream chat. Apparently it's very easily set. We just need to find out where it is.
SpaceX. Said that one.
The number is not calling in at all?
It's on, but there's nothing in it.
Do you have your volume up? Yeah, but we had that for CRS 19. I did.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
When did you call in? Was it like fairly close to launch?
Well, yeah, it was like now. Like it was. You sure you have the right number? Okay. So yeah, so this is B10. So again, this is SpaceX Falcon 9 booster B1049. This will be its 4th launch, and hopefully 4th landing on, of course, I Still Love You, which again is way downrange. And the mission, of course, is Starlink-2 for the broadband internet service via satellite by none other than Elon Musk's SpaceX. They also have coded. They've put on a less reflective coating on one of the satellites to do a little test for less disturbance of the night sky from here on Earth by astronomers or astrophysicists, astronomers, observation towers, night photography, astrophotography, anything astro. AstroTurf, yes. AstroTurf works too. AstroTurf, about Astro Boy. That was a good show. Astro Boy.
AstroTurf is grass.
Yes, AstroTurf is fake grass. And they don't use AstroTurf anymore. They use I can't remember the name of it, but it's almost it's more like grass. AstroTurf is more like mini putt stuff. No. Well, maybe they had a different number. So B1049.4. I'd love to ask a trivia question right now if we had live chat, but unfortunately we don't have live chat, so. But I'm going to ask it anyway. B1049, this will be its 4th launch. It launched 3 others. What were the other 3 missions B-1049 Falcon 9 rocket booster has been on? I'll give you that answer in 2 minutes. Cue Jeopardy music.
Talking about the coding now.
Yeah, these Starlink is going to be a constellation of satellites. He wants to put up, oh gosh, 12,000 or more. A lot. Let's just say a lot. It's going to be a constellation around the Earth, so it's going to provide internet broadband services to basically anywhere on Earth. Starting later this year, testing of it will be here in North America, in US and Canada. I'm just gonna aim. I'm gonna just fix the view. There we go. I just want to make sure that you guys get a full frame of the shot. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to get that. I'm sure we'll be able to see the entire launch from where we're at. Fingers crossed. We'll see. It's always a hit or miss. All right, so to answer your question, to answer my trivia question, wow, to answer your question,
Babe.
what?
Seth got, you're muted.
I-
So for SpaceX commentary.
I'm what?
Muted.
Why am I muted?
So let me know when you're super close to launch. And sorry, John got muted in favor of SpaceX.
Oh, great. Okay, well, I'm muted on which channels? Both of them? Don't mute me. You don't mute. The whole point in our stream is to stream us, not to stream somebody else. So in any case, I guess everybody's gonna miss the answer to this. So it was Telstar 8 and Iridium, or sorry, it was Telstar 18, Iridium Next 8, and Starlink 1 were the launches that this booster has previously flown. We're at T-minus 2 minutes. T-minus in 2 minutes and counting. Again, the satellites that are going up will be part of a constellation of broadband internet service satellites that will be around the globe eventually. There are plenty more Starlink missions to go up. All right, I don't know what happened there, but I just got oh, there we go.
Oh.
There we go. Woo! Liftoff.
Yeah, it's like 15 seconds.
Here comes the rumble. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. I know you did. That is amazing. What a beautiful, beautiful spectacle. Nice. Woo! And it is way off there now. We may or may not see a burn back. We'll definitely see a burn back. That's for sure. Oh wow, look at the plume.
I got the entire thing.
Wow, look at that.
I'm like shaking. This is ridiculous.
Wow. That looks so cool. I wish you guys could see this here. Unfortunately, a camera will not show that. well, a really, really good camera will. That is cool. It's still like, you see it like really clear from here. Well, that was great. So now what's going to happen is the booster is going to come back down. I don't think we're going to see the first burn at all. No, I don't think so. But the spatial displacement that it leaves in the sky, in the night sky, and the early morning launches is just gorgeous. Well, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoyed the stream. I'm gonna let you go again. This looks like it's been a oh wait, yeah, is that the booster going back? No, that's just a star. Never mind.
You can still see it, right?
I know you can still see it. But again, this is John Van Horn with Space Coast Launch Ambassadors here on the Space Coast of Florida at Jetty Park Beach. This is SpaceX Falcon9 Starlink. We've got second
No, that is.
first stage separation.
That is the booster, I think.
No, it's not.
That big thing right here, over here.
Where?
Oh, you missed it.
Oh, did you see it?
Yeah, you could see it, like right on the side of the,
Oh, I didn't see that.
in between those people at the lifeguard house.
Oh, okay.
So
Oh,
I might have caught
You
that.
you might have caught that as well. Well, this is again John Van Horn.
Booster entry burn.
So that was probably it.
I got it.
So again, this is Horn signing off.